Hi, my name is Jackie Kruger and I represent the Eric Morris acting technique. Eric Morris created this technique for actors at the beginning. He was looking for a way for actors to be able to be organic, real, experiential. And he created the how. How do you do this? He created exercises and a whole technique. And he's been teaching acting for the last 50 years, and he's written 10 books about this. Now, I stumbled upon this technique during the late 90s. I walked into a class and it blew my mind, and there was no turning back. It ended up helping me as a person because I see life in a different manner. So many students come to me and say, look, I'm not really looking to be an actor. I just want a place where I can explore myself, where I can express myself, where I can heal, where no one's going to judge me, and I can grow. I've been in charge of this technique since 2010, and I've taken this technique to everybody because self-healing, self-knowledge, and emotional intelligence are very important no matter what your profession is. So now let's talk about Instrumental Workshop. Instrumental Workshop is a workshop that is dedicated completely to the unblocking of our emotions. So we're in search of expression, of being able to express our feelings. We try to unblock those emotions that are hard for us to express, or those that we don't even know that exist. Maybe we're very angry and we are experts at hiding it through irony, through making jokes and laughing all the time. So this is a very therapeutical workshop. We work to unblock ourselves, to open paths, to be the best version of ourselves, to be able to express ourselves in a very healthy manner. Sense memory. Sense memory is a workshop where we explore all the information that we have about ourselves that are hidden in our senses. The same way that you listen to a song on the radio and it transports you to a moment in your life where you were there with your first boyfriend, or you were extremely happy or extremely vulnerable. In that same way, a sound, a smell, a taste can take you to different parts of your life. We are the accumulation of everything we live through. There is information about our lives that we don't even remember that we remember, but it's there. It's there in the back of our heads, in the back of our minds, and it's hidden in all our senses. So through this workshop, we use blindfolds and we awaken our story. We discover who we are, our strengths, our weaknesses, and it's life-changing. So we awaken all our senses. You close your eyes and somebody pats your head, or you receive a hug, and all of a sudden you're crying because you're remembering that was the way your father would hug you. This is very therapeutical because we listen to music and then you dance and then you explore different sensations. There's a before and after. It's extremely fun. It's a very fun workshop. Try us out. I promise you'll feel the change. Okay, let's talk about subpersonality workshops. Inside of us, we have different voices. And the sum of all those voices form our personality. Inside us lives many voices, like that of the vulnerable child, the hero, the beach bum, the magical child, the free spirit, the perfectionist, the critic, and even Aphrodite. All these voices are in there, but they don't all want the same thing for you. Each one has their own interests. Each one wants to be the lead actor, the driver of the car. Through a technique we call voice dialogue, we interview these areas, these voices. We let them speak out. We let them tell us what they want, what they do in your life, how present they are, or how abandoned they are. Is your critic driving the car? Is your pleaser driving the car of your life? So it's very interesting. It's very revealing. I highly recommend this one. I was a student before being a coach, and this has changed my life, personally and professionally. Let me do the same for you.